Are you tired of eating one particular type of stew? This video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how I made this delicious stew. This recipe is called coconut chicken stew. I made this stew on Christmas Day and my visitors were so pleased with it. They asked me to make a video about it. So guys, as you can see, I'm chopping off my red bell pepper, after which I'm going to keep it aside and then start chopping off my spring onions. So if you're tired of eating one particular type of stew, you're tired of okfako, you're tired of tomato stew, my children call it ketchup stew, this video is for you. Honestly, this recipe tastes very nice. You are going to love it. Once I'm done cutting off the onions, next I'm going to slice my carrot. Next, I'm going to be adding the coconut oil on the pot. You can use sunflower oil, groundnut oil, whichever oil you have, just add oil. Next, I'm going to go in with my vegetable, fry it for about 3 minutes, and then bring it out. After 3 minutes, I'm just going to remove the vegetable out of the oil and then keep it aside. So I'm going to put the meat in the pot and then go in with my seasoning, which I'm going to be listing in the description box of this video. What you're seeing now is fresh turmeric. I blended it with the blender. And then I'm just going to mix it up nicely. One thing about me, when I'm cooking, I love the meat to taste wow. That is why I add a lot of ingredients when I'm steaming my meat. I'll cover it and allow it to boil and then give it a little bit of stir and then remove it from the pot, put it in the air fryer to dry it, as I love eating dry meat. And come to think of it, the chicken they grow here in abroad is not strong at all. So if you don't dry it, you are not going to enjoy it. So I'll take it out of the pot, put it in the air fryer, dry it to my taste. Next, I'm adding onions, and then I'm going to go with the spring onions, and then I'm going to add my pepper. You can use dry pepper at this point if you wish. And then next, I'm adding coconut water. You can also use fresh coconut, the one you made for yourself, if you prefer that one. After which I'm going to give it a little bit of stir and then go in with my vegetable, which is the last ingredients I'm going to add, and then add my crayfish. Don't forget your crayfish. I love eating crayfish. I just give it a little bit of stir and then cover it to boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. After which I'm going to be adding my dry chicken. See how dry the chicken is. Then that is it. Your coconut chicken stew is ready. When my visitor tasted this stew, they was like, wow, we want a video about this stew. I want to make it at home. So at this point, the stew is ready, guys. But I feel like it wasn't thick to my taste. It was not thick enough for me. I cover it and allow it to boil, and then I added corn starch on it to make it a little bit thicker. This one now is not compulsory. If you don't want to add it, it's fine. I wanted the stew to be a bit thicker. That was why I added the cornstarch. And then after which, that is it. Look how beautiful it is. Your coconut chicken stew is ready. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next one. Bye.